Carmine. Yes.
Okay, can I do my video now? Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is, of course, your boy B Bullet RC coming at you guys again with yet and yes, today, as y'all can see, we got a few packs in, one of which is, of course, the early heat, which means I had to go out and grab the table for this video right here. Now, let me go ahead and grab the stacks right here. Blam! And as you can see, we got a few things. And to my surprise, and maybe to some of y'all's, I have been getting some dubs on Nike sneakers, which is a few of these packs right here. Now, I feel like I haven't done like a pickups video in a while because I also did cop a few things. I got some things off the Big Sean drop. I opted to go for the Big Sean merch over the Mickey D's Trap merch this time. And I did cop a few things that I wanted to show off first. Because keeping it a buck, I feel like the Detroit 2 merch was pretty fire. So I did go ahead and cop a few things. First off being this trucker right here. This is a Don Life trucker. You know, regular trucker stuff, green and white. Got the Don Life on the top, Don Life on the bottom, and that's all embroidered in. The globe is embroidered in as well, and there's nothing on the back. It's a regular cap. It's an auto-made cap as well. And you know what I mean? It's just, you know, regular green and white truck, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sit this off to the side while we get into the rest. Now, this next one I did pick up was actually a hoodie, and this is the same idea. This is actually the Don Life hoodie right here. This one is all over like a cream base, and they actually did go ahead and do the puff print on the front of this one. It's a regular size XL, and as far as like the quality, it feels okay. Definitely nothing crazy, but it definitely gets the job done, and I overall just like the hoodie, like the colorway, and I like the hat. So blam, Don Life hoodie, Don Life hat, caught both of those. And then I did go ahead and pick up 2 tees as well. Now, there were a ton of tough tees that they dropped, but I went with 2 in particular. First up being the Still I Rise tee, colorway wash. This joint right here is fire. Cop this one in an XL as well, and again, it does feel like it's probably like some comfort colors or maybe some gilding, but I think this is a comfort colors tee right here that they use for the base. And again, man, graphics were well done. There's no puff print on this one, but I just love the colors on this joint, and this to me was definitely one of the most fire tees. Now, I also did cop one more, and this was definitely one of the favorites from everything that he had dropped, and this is the Wolves tee. Man, the all over print on this joint. And again, this is a size XLT, all over print. I need to figure out who they got to make these tees because I need this come summer. I need some all over print tees for sample. And then on the back, you got Big Sean, the Moon, and the Wolf. This one, super hard. And again, I know I keep talking about that print, but this is just different to a lot of stuff that we see nowadays. And it just feels like kind of a vintage tee. And I'm pretty sure that was the look they were going for. So as far as like any merch pickups recently, of course, a lot of the stuff I've been wearing is just sample stuff because we got so much stuff dropping. But I did want to go ahead and show off what I did pick up. So Wolves tee, Still I Rise, Don Life hoodie, and the Don Life hat. Bam. Okay, so those were all the first pickups, and I'm gonna leave them right there. Now it is time to get into these sneakers dubs and of course that early heat pack. Knife is ready. Blam. So first box we got right here is probably the oldest box that I have been having sit around, and this is actually going to be a double up, and it seems like a lot of people were able to hit on this shoe, which was good. Of course, some people weren't. I mean, that's just how Nike sneakers goes, and I usually would be one of those people. So in this box right here, straight from Nike sneakers, this is actually a pickup from last year. Y'all see the box, man, all over black Jordan Flight box. Y'all should already kind of know what's going on with this pair, and it does seem that one of the shoes probably flipped. Don't need this box right here anymore, and let's go ahead and get into these. Take the top off the box, sit it up there, and yes, this was, like I said, a double up, and I was able to get another pair of the fire red Air Jordan 4. Definitely one of the best JB retros from last year, aside from some of the quality control issues. And I am going to check over this pair right here. They seem, you know, pretty okay. Let me go ahead and check the right shoe real quick. These, you know, they don't got no snaggle tooth, and both shoes seem to be pretty much perfect. You guys know on the other pair I had, we had that mess up on the stitching on the front and everything, but as far as this particular pair goes, these joints right here are nice and clean. So as far as the fire red goes, I am good to go. I got one to rock, won the stock, and that was the first pickup. And again, this was a sneakers dub on release day. Now the next 2 boxes we got are definitely more recent drops, and I am honestly surprised I was actually able to hit on these. Now I did go ahead and tear the labels off of both, so I'm not exactly sure which one is which, but we're just gonna go ahead and get into this one first. Try not to cut up the box. Get that side, blam. This side, blam. And let's go ahead and break into the box, bam. Okay, this was an Air Jordan 1 pickup, and I had told y'all that I was a little bit on the fence, but the official photos for this shoe made them look way better, and I've been seeing them on feet, and I'm honestly glad that I was able just to go ahead and cop these joints for retail. Because if I didn't, I don't think I would have actually added these ones to the collection, but y'all know what it is. Air Jordan 1 box, very, very recent drop, and I was supposed to have a pair of these early to drop a review for you guys. It's a little bit late now, but it is all good, and that is the Volt and Gold Air Jordan 1. And I gotta say, taking them out the box just like I thought, the black leather on these, the way that they layered it together, the little extended pieces on the top, they did this one just a little bit different. And I feel like this is actually a pretty good pair of ones depending on how you put it together with a fit. These do have the sail tone, they got the sail midsole as well. And there's actually, I didn't even realize this, but there's actually exposed foam behind the wings on the top. Behind these Volt colored wings, there is exposed foam. So they did make sure to switch it up a bit, and they also reversed the tongue tag. I mean, I definitely would have rather had the regular tongue tag on this, but it's all cool. The Nike Air is actually on the inside. There's Volt green contrast stitching on the tongue. There just are some good details that maybe you couldn't see from some of the official photos on the actual shoe. And let me just go ahead and check my other one just to make sure that everything is good. And I mean, for retail, I think this is actually a good cop. The way it's color blocked, you get the black toe effect on the front, but then on the back, you get the gold and the green. It definitely is a little bit of a weirder color combo, so I understand if people might not have been really feeling them. But yes, I was in fact able to scoop a pair retail through Nike sneakers, which surprised me. I really wasn't expecting to get this shoe at all. Now this next one, I mean, I was surprised to get these, but this next one I was even more surprised. Luckily, the resale price has kind of been dropping on these particular shoes, making it easier for people to cop if they do miss on the initial drop. And this is my first Nike basketball pickup in, I don't know the last time I copped a Nike basketball sneaker, but I did miss the media days, and this was as close as I was gonna get, and the materials on these look dope. And I mean, whew, the box. You got LeBron, the Lion, the Nike swoosh. These right here, in my opinion, pretty strong dub to start off the year. But if we slide out the box, flip it down, flip it up, flip it down again, you have the Lakers LeBron 8, and these joints, these is actually fire, bro. The quality of materials, the colorway, and the smell, like, they got that old LeBron 8 smell on these joints, bro. Let me go ahead and grab this one out the box. Damn. They did a good job with this one right here. If all the LeBron 8 retros and new colorways are gonna be coming like this, I can definitely see myself copping a few more. I hope from the B-roll in the video, y'all can see just the quality. I mean, the leather on the uppers. This shoe to me definitely has that PE vibe like a UNC 4 or UNC 3 for sure. So yes, another big sneakers W. The LeBron 8 Lakers is in the building. And since we got these out of the way, I think y'all know what time it is. It is time to get into that the early heat pack right here. Now this next shoe we're about to pull out, one of the biggest releases of this year, and I actually just talked about them on the last video. If you did not peep that, make sure to go peep the last vid. I'll make sure to drop a link below in the description, going over some of the biggest releases this year in 2021 that we know of so far, and this definitely has to be one of them. This one right here is gonna have a lot of people entering raffles out at the stores. People are definitely gonna be on it for this shoe right here. And if I flip the box open, flip this over right here, y'all see the top of the box. Some of y'all probably already know what's going on if you're on the Discord. If you're not on the Discord, a link is down below. Come through, say what's good to us. But I did go ahead and post these in the latest pickup section. And let's go ahead, flip these open. The 2021, okay, Carmine 6s. They are back, and they are releasing very, very soon. Retail is gonna be $200, but trust me, I did not pay $200 at all to get these early. Y'all know what we gotta do. Let's go ahead and put that one right there, and let's check out the other side right here. Bottoms are super icy on this pair. It's like a lighter icy blue, not that regular blue that they use, that dark one. And of course, one of the biggest things about the shoe, look at the back. You got that Nike Air embroidered in, and they are looking pretty proper. You guys can see them right here. Now, of course, I will be dropping a full review on this shoe, but I did want to do a quick early look, in-hand look at the shoe, so you guys can see him a bit early before that full video review drops. I'm gonna be doing the on feet and all that, of course, and these joints are goddamn choked out. That factory lacing on these is crazy, bro. If you wear your 6s, please don't wear them this fucking tight. As far as like overall first impressions, like quality and craftsmanship, luckily we don't have a fire red force situation right here. Everything is looking right. Nike Air on the insoles, you know, the regular stuff. So that was the early heat pickup of the video. The Carmine 6s have landed. 2021 is here, and that Nike Air is back. But as far as the video, man, that is it. Make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like on this vid, sub up if you haven't already, and finesse the bell as well to get notified when new videos drop. So when the review for these drop, you already know, you're already on it, and you can get in there nice and early. Y'all let me know that y'all copied anything recently, and I would ask you if you're going for the Carmines, but I assume that most of y'all are going to be going for them, of course. That's all the pickups we got for this video. So much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Twitch. The Twitch is BulletRC, by the way. Make sure y'all follow the Twitch, bruh. And salute to Cash App for dropping the 100 gifted subs yesterday. That was pretty crazy. Is this like
nice.
Is this
That's
Cash App?
Cash App does, yeah, Cash App
what?
does that, bro.
Hey, salute to Cash App. Hey, yo, what? Hold on. Bro.
That's crazy.
Yo,
that's lit, bro.
Salute to Cash App in the building. Here, there, blah, blah. Of course, I got him right here. Don't worry. BulletRC. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. These joints right here looking pretty clean. Leather is okay, but you know, no big mess ups on my pair. That's it though for the video, man. Much love. We are out of here. Time for me to go edit. Peace.
If you come here trying to take some, there's a lot more where that